So this is how you fold up and store one of these green screens. So just take it off the stand, and then you're gonna grab it by opposite corners. So these can be a little tricky to fold up, but what you're gonna do is put on one side your hand with your thumb facing down, and then on the opposite corner, your hand with your thumb facing down. So one is actually facing up, one is facing down, and then you push forward with both your thumbs. So your thumb is going to be here on the metal, on the black inside, and the same thing over here on the opposite side. And look at where my fingers are too. So it's just grasping it like that. You push forward with both your thumbs. And it comes together like that. The motion is to push like this. So twist it. So that is where your hands will end up, holding opposite directions. And it all comes together. It'll take you a couple times to get it, but once you have that motion down, you'll be able to put this guy away in no time.